When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Nah, J made this one.
Today we're going to be cleaning the bike. First we got to take off all this stuff that's going to get wet, that could be damaged. So we're just going to put this here for now. Back to what we were doing. Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're going to do a video on cleaning all the bikes. As you can tell, one's still in my garage and stuff, but we're gonna clean this one first and then we're gonna get into the dirtier stuff later.
Nah, J made this one.
I did not mean to do that. Hopefully that tries out. I got this bike clean. This bike's pretty clean too. And this one is too. So I guess that's all we're gonna get time for. Alright. I didn't completely detail the bike because I'm going riding tomorrow most likely. So I wasn't gonna clean it up real nice. You know, if there's no point. It's a little dirty still, as you could see underneath and stuff, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't get to record me washing the dirt bikes, but that was because it was raining at the time, so I didn't want to get the new camera all wet and stuff and have problems with that. But I'm gonna get this bike back in shape soon. I'm gonna get some orange plastics. This bike's getting new graphics, new plastics, new seat cover, all that. This one's probably gonna get a new seat cover too. And gonna get the new plastics, ordered new tires. This one's flat. This one has slime in it. So yeah, they're on their last leg. So ordered some new tires, new tubes, new grips, and yeah, ordered some new handlebars for that too. But yeah, we're gonna get these bikes back in shape, and then we'll start riding them more. Maybe I'll post some, who knows. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.